Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got Nelson up in my garage today. Going to take out the motor. He's going to take a motor out on his Del Sol. Probably I'm just going to sit and watch him. Try to do the least as possible. Nah, I'm just joking. I want to try to help him as much as possible. So this is going to be our mechanic.
Oh,
yeah. We're going to use him as our mechanic.
There you go.
Yeah. So we're going to keep the camera rolling. And we're going to get onto this thing and hopefully have it out in no time. And then I don't know, his plans is to redo the motor. I don't know what else you going to do to it?
We're trying to do just some upgraders, making more horsepower. Some good stuff, you know. We're going to rebuild the whole engine.
Yeah, it's going to be badass. So everybody just welcome Nelson to our channel. We're going to be seeing a lot more of him, more than likely. Check this bad boy out though, it's going to be pretty badass. Soon. He also has a S14. We're going to have to get on the channel before long.
Another 240?
Yep, we got to get that on the channel. Try to buy it, he won't sell it to me.
They ain't going to happen.
You notice you don't see Steven around? We don't know where he's at. He's been slacking on me. I don't know what he's doing. So, all right, guys, enjoy the video, and let's get this thing going. Aha! New angle, everybody. We got everything loosening the motor mounts right now. Let this man work. Almost ready to come out. Man, look, Nelson's been got my hands dirty. I don't know what he was thinking. Where's my garage? Nah, it's alright. Anything can be cleaned. Like
first time somebody worked here.
Alright, let's go outside and get the we gotta get the cherry picker. So once it gets cherry picker, then we can get this bad boy out of here. And then he's got somebody building it, I think, so hopefully it won't be long he'll get it built. It's windy out here. I think he's gonna bring the road back over here. Yeah. Cows mooing over there. Cows will get tipped over. Oh! So I'm about to be tied down.
Huh?
I might have to be tied down. I'm gonna fall down. Man, look at this big man.
That's fine.
I thought Hans was coming. I thought Hans was coming. He said he might roll up. Get back here in the heat.
How long we got doing this?
How long what?
We got doing that. The level on this floor is really bad.
Huh?
The level on this floor is really bad.
It ain't bad.
Check it out.
Ah, there she is, guys. Motor is finally out. Well, it only took, what, 2 hours?
1.5 hours.
Half hour? An hour and a half. Well, he got it out of there. One man. Well, I watched.
1.5.
Yeah.
1.5 minutes.
Yeah, one and a half men took it out. Yeah. Man, I can't wait till it's going back in.
Like, yeah.
We're ready to see this car back on the road. What y'all think? Gotta get him back going.
Gonna be
Donations, please. We take millions.
new body work, rebuild engine, couple of upgraded stuff.
Yeah. I think you should do a little bit to this, and we'll do the S14.
S14.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's gonna go first. Then after that, we go on to the S14.
This man right here rather drive his Del Sol than his S14. I can't say I'm any different, but you know, I like an S14 pretty good. Except for the Z. Soon, man. Soon, I hope we get the Z going. Well, my Z, I have been driving it a little bit, but man, the weather's been too crappy.
You have to wait on summer.
I know they salt the roads and all that stuff.
Summer is the time for drive and enjoy your cars.
Yeah.
Especially this one. This baby. That's the thing. Take the tire guard out. Enjoy the sun.
Alright everybody, so appreciate you stopping by, checking out the video. So right now, this is where we're at a stopping point right now. Got the motor out, everything's good to go. Nelson's gonna have to do some stuff, so he's gonna go and come back in about 2 or 3 days and load it up and take it off and go get it rebuilt and all that good stuff. And hopefully we'll get some more videos coming. Like I said, I still got my Z to work on. Steven's got some stuff to work on. I don't know what he's gonna work on, Honda or his car, I'm not sure. We'll find out. But hopefully it'll be back together. Maybe. Alright everybody, we'll see you next video. I don't know what we got in store, but make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, that bell, and wait for the next video. Peace out.